As traditional medicine reclaims its place in global health discourse, the country stands at the forefront of this transformation as its rich wealth of traditional knowledge, powered by modern regulation, digital system, and scientific rigor, marks India out as the world leader in this area, the government said on Tuesday. The country is set to host the second WHO Global Summit on Traditional Medicine from 17th till 19th December. The theme of the summit is Restoring Balance of People and Planet, the Science and Practice of Well-being. The summit will also see the launch of the WHO Traditional Medicine Global Library. This is the world's most comprehensive digital repository on traditional, complementary, and integrative medicine with over 1.5 million records. The upcoming summit further underscores India's strength in shaping international discourse aimed at strengthening standards and establishing framework for evidence-based traditional healthcare. The government said this is also in alignment with the vision of Viksit Bharat at 2047. The report News Now.